she's going to mime.
Oh yeah. Liberty Fabrics.
Actually,
God.
Didn't show the tag.
Oh, sorry. God knows what the brand is. Never heard of it.
Just trying it because it's Liberty.
Well, that was a fiver. This was £2 deal.
Just no, we don't.
Nautical.
I didn't know whether to get it or not. But
Yeah, it's all good.
for £2.
Yeah, it's all good. You found that on pretty good. This was expensive. Ralph Lauren, Wimbledon. It is wool and cashmere.
So probably sell one. Big size as well, isn't it?
Yeah, good size. It'll sell for a lot of money. New jeans, brand new tags. This is really cool. Hugo Boss.
It's just different for Hugo Boss, isn't
At the
it?
bottom. We've got Iceberg. And then on the back, we got weird old Hugo Boss. Very Italian.
Yeah, very Armani, I think now.
Yeah. Like CP Company and stuff.
Yeah. This is
We've got cat tail.
so silly. Looks very nice. These are cute.
These are really cool.
Not opened it yet. I didn't actually realise it was a dolphin.
You get a
saw the
live
whale.
unboxing. We've got 2 of these. £5 for both.
You could have at least kept the packaging nice.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Single stitch. You can tell they're over there. Protect the dolphins and the whales.
Keep the sea safe. That is good.
That was good surprise. Smells good as well, which is unusual for.
Yeah, that is. Not musty.
Yeah, it's not normal. It's disgusting. Smells good.
Okay.
One of these rolling rockets.
Just a fringy jacket. Suede. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. Vintage Quicksilver shorts. Pretty cool. Cargo shorts, Ralph Lauren. Billabong.
Can't actually see it because the way you're holding it. You're not turning it to face me.
Billabong.
Nice. Oh yes, and lastly,
Barbara. Steve McQueen.
salvage.
That's your lot.
That's the haul from today. Are you happy with the haul?
Yeah, but I didn't get 10 Nevada t-shirts, so it sucks. We just got home and I'd forgotten this, so.
I like the colour.
Just going to show you some stuff we've had delivered in the past few days, past week or so. If you notice that I've got a massive scratch on my neck and a black eye, that's because it's not because I've been scrapping, it's from a rugby game, just so you know. I'm not... Oh, there's a cat on the...
Oh my god.
There's a cat climbing. He's literally climbing up the cat tree. Oh dear.
We did use this.
Yes. The culprit. Into the items. We've got a two-tone Ralph Lauren Carp Vintage. Let me show you the tag. Nice colours, isn't it? White and green. We've got a kids Ralph Lauren char jacket. That looks so ridiculous when it's up against my body. It looks so small. We're keeping those two things. We've got Ralph Lauren Paratrooper cargo pants. These are exceptional cargo trousers. We sell lots of these. They are pretty unique with the amount of cargo pockets they've got on. We get between 100 and 150 depending on size and colour. We've got another kids jacket. This is Oshkosh. Again, very small. Char utility, barn coat, engineer's jacket, whatever you want to call it. This is a really good piece of vintage Ralph Lauren. Good front and an old tag, but the back is the best bit. And Beth pointed out if I go like this, it says Poo Sport. There we go. These are quite rare, can't find any comps or sold listings. If I was going to sell it, well, we're not selling them, so it doesn't matter what the price is, does it? We've got a modern Polo Country corduroy jacket. It's got pockets down here, hand warmers, and then pockets here. We've had quite a few of these in different colours and sizes. It should sell for between £60 and £80, I would say. Next up, we've got another corduroy bit of Ralph. It is a bomber jacket. It's got a lining here. It's a size small, modern. We should get between 100 and 150 for these. That's why we normally price them. Next up, a double RL. I think this is called an after hood because the hood's been stitched on afterwards. There's the tag. Double XL. I bought this for myself. And I'll be keeping it because it fits me. And now I'm going to try it on.
Requiescat in pace.
I like the pockets. Then it's like two like that.
Yeah, two at the side. It's nice. Nice fade on it. Then we have a Polo Country again, but modern, a reissue. Polo Terrain Rugby. I'll show you the patch there. This is a size large. I think we'll get between 80 and 100 for it. It's got a camo on it, colour blocking. Nice modern piece. Then we've got one that bought for our archive. It is a vintage spell out Polo Sport knit jumper. It has Polo Sport on the arm here.
And it is actually embroidered on the arm, isn't it?
Yeah, it's embroidered.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's fully embroidered here. Really nice jumper. Here we have a heavy hitter. This is a double RL denim char jacket utility jacket. I'm not really sure what you would definitely want to call it. There you go, nice corduroy collar. Is that exactly what you were going to say? Oh, there we go. Bet that gave you the ick, didn't it? This will sell for £200. It's double XL, good size. £200, something like that. Maybe £250. Got another one that we will be keeping. This is a really old rugby that has this on the arm. Polo Sport badge. And it is cut and sew, which you can see there. Each part of it is sort of sewn together. I'm gonna try this one as well. This makes me look so American. There you go. We do have this in another colourway in our archive that we'll try and insert a picture of now. Yeah. Next up, we've got a Ralph Lauren field jacket. It's waxed. We've had this twice in the past month or two. Both brand new with tags, and this both sold instantly. So this should quite easily get between 150 and 200. It's got nice embroidered badges there. Nice wax cotton. Next up, we've got a really good bit of overdyed colour block ombre Ralph. This will be going in our archive because Lewis is a greedy little hoarding pig. It's really nice. Couldn't not buy that one. Next up we've got, this is very similar to the Double RL actually, but it's Polo Denim & Supply. Very similar style, not quite as nice, won't sell for as much, probably get 100, maybe pushing 120, probably more like 100. Nice zip details on there. Nice piece of clothing. Next up we've got one of the best pieces of the video. This is a Polo Country. It's like a thick woven cotton. I think you can pick it up on the camera, I think. I'd say it's a bit of an Aztec-y pattern, isn't it? Without Aztec stripes with the lines in. It's also got some really nice detailed buttons. It's a gorgeous piece of clothing that'll be going in our archive. Not like gorgeous.
I don't like gorgeous either.
This is an iconic bit of Ralph Lauren that'll be going in our archive. Not for sale. Next we've got a vintage polo shirt from, of course, Ralph Lauren. Made in USA. We do have the matching shirt for sale of this, slightly different. I'll try and put a photo of it in. Crabs and fish. It's really faded out. Nice piece of clothing, that one. This is one we didn't get in the post. This is one we bought in Leeds, which the clip should have been earlier in the video. It is a 1990. Oh yeah. Oh my god, how do I? This is a 1990 Grateful Dead tie-dye double-sided graphic single stitch t-shirt. Here's the tag. We got this for £30 from a vintage store. Very cheap. I think it was a mistake on their end, and we will be looking to get probably over £100. I'm not the best on pricing stuff like a vintage Grateful Dead t-shirt, but it should get over £100. It's a cool graphic, nice one to find out in the wild. Next we have something that isn't Ralph Lauren. It's a Mambo Rose loud shirt. The tag is really cool. This will be for sale. We don't keep Mambo loud shirts. I prefer to collect the t-shirts, so this will be for sale. I think it will get between 150 and £200. And lastly, we've got a waxed Polo Ralph Lauren overcoat, field jacket, something like that. There you go, made in USA, corduroy collar, lots of pockets. Again, a really nice piece of clothing, pockets on the back that I think will be used for hunting, and you'd put your pheasants and stuff you'd shot in there. You didn't like that, did you?
Put my dead pheasants in my pockets.
Yeah. Nice piece of vintage Ralph Lauren. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, follow our Instagram, and that's it. We're all done. Bye. Goodbye. Bye.